Good morning. This is meteorologist Steve Davis from the National Weather Service office in Sullivan with a briefing on the severe weather potential for this afternoon and evening. We do have a round of showers and thunderstorms that will come across the area this morning. We aren't looking for those to be very strong or even severe. It's the redevelopment that we're expecting this afternoon and evening that has the potential to produce some damaging thunderstorms. We are expecting those to be across southern Wisconsin. The focus will be mainly southwest of Madison. The main concern is damaging wind, large hail, and a few tornadoes are possible, and the timing would be late this afternoon and evening. The impacts would be power outages, damage to trees and power lines, that sort of thing. This is a simulated radar for this morning. Again, this activity is not expected to be severe. The graphic on the left is what the radar may look like at 8 a.m. You can see it's just getting into Madison. And then by 11 a.m. it should move all across southern Wisconsin, getting into the Milwaukee metro area. Now this image shows the early morning satellite view. It shows an expansive area of clouds covering much of Minnesota and Iowa, now pushing into Wisconsin. Our concern with these events is that these clouds and the rain associated with them may not diminish early enough to get redevelopment this afternoon and evening across southern Wisconsin. If this cloud shield and the rain clears out soon enough, the atmosphere will be able to heat up and become more unstable, and thus we could see the redevelopment of severe thunderstorms across southern Wisconsin. If it stays too cloudy, the development may stay across Iowa and down into Illinois. Here's some timing for the two rounds. Again, the graphic on the left shows the rain moving into areas west of Madison this morning between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m., in the Madison area between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m., and then into the Milwaukee area between 10 a.m. and noon. Then if we do see redevelopment this afternoon, you can see it should develop around the Madison area and points northwest around 4 to 6 p.m. this afternoon, and then push off to the east-southeast during the evening hours between 6 and say 9 or 11 p.m. That would then be a threat into the Milwaukee area back down to Janesville, Racine, and Kenosha. Here is a simulated radar for 7 p.m. this evening. Again, this is a conditional radar. It depends on whether we can see this redevelopment, whether those clouds and rain clear out early this morning. But you can see a healthy line of showers and thunderstorms that extend from Sheboygan back through Madison to Janesville, then back into northwest Illinois and northeast Iowa. The Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk of severe thunderstorms across all of southeast Wisconsin, portions of south central Wisconsin, and an enhanced risk, which is a higher risk, from Madison and then south and west of there. Here's a highlight of the greatest risk for hail and damaging wind. Again, you can see the greatest threat for hail and damaging wind would be from the Madison area to the south and west, and same with the greatest threat for any tornadoes. Again, it would be in that enhanced risk area. This is a graphic showing the precipitation across southern Wisconsin. Now this goes out actually through Friday, showing as much as an inch and a half across the southeast to 2 to 2.5 inches in the Madison area. The amount we'll see today through tonight would be on the order of about an inch or so. That's it from the National Weather Service this morning. Thanks for watching.